Welcome to your Lanyard workshop number 2. Today we will be making this cool hexagonal spiral keychain. First, pull out 3 strings from your kit. I'm choosing this pink string, this clear string, and this cool blue string. The first thing that we're going to do is take out 2 of our strings. We're going to line up the ends of the string and fold it in half. Now we want to take the center point where it folds in the middle and make a cross. So we want to take one end of our pink string and bring it over to the other side. And taking the other end of the pink string on the other side, you want to bring it over to the other side as well. And you want to take our clear string and go over the first one and under the second loop and pull it. And now we're going to take the other end of our clear string and bring it over the pink loop and under the second pink loop. So this is similar to the start in our other video, the first Lanyard workshop. So we're just making the same start, but we don't want to pull all the way. And now we're going to take our third string and we're going to flip it over. So flip the entire start over. We're going to thread it diagonally. Like that. I'm going to show you guys a simpler way. So when you flip it over, you see the cross. There's a cross with the clear string and the pink string. So what you're going to want to do is take your third string and put it right through that cross, like that. So we want to put it through the cross and pull. I'm going to do that one more time. So we want to once again look at that cross and see that X and put your third string right down the center of that X. So once you've done that, you want to match up the ends of the blue string or your third string so they're even, and you want to flip your whole thing over and pull. Remember, just like last time, you want to pull evenly on all the strings or else it might end up weird. See, and then it should look like that. I'm just checking one more time to make sure that both ends of the blue string are even, seeing if their ends match up. And they should match up like that. So we're going to pull it. The blue string should be relatively loose, so you can still adjust it a little bit. I'm pulling one more time for good measure. And then let's start our first knot. So we're going to pull our pink string and we're going to go diagonally. So for our box stitch, we just went straight. But for this one, we're going to want to go to the left side of the other pink string. And we're going to take our other pink string and follow the first loop that we made to make 2 loops. We're going to take our clear string and go over our first loop and under our second loop and pull. So this is just like our normal box stitch. And we're going to take our other clear string and go over the first loop and under the second loop. And there's our spiral box stitch. And now we're going to take our blue string and go right across our box stitch, like that. And pull. This can be kind of confusing, so I'm going to show it a couple of times. We're going to go in right through the center of it and out the side. See that cross on the other end between the pink and the clear string? We're going to want to put it right through that. And we're going to take our other side and do the same thing. So we're just gonna ignore the first loop that we made at the blue string and take a look at that cross of the pink and the clear string. We're gonna put our string right through that. Seal it off with this tight pull, and that is your knot. There we have it, our first stitch. I will be showing you a couple more times so you can get the hang of it. Onto our second knot. Once again, you want to take the pink string and bring it over to the left side of your other pink string. And you want to take the pink string on the other side and follow the pink string to create 2 loops. From here, we just want to create our box stitch again, taking our clear string and going over the first loop and under the second loop, and pulling. Now we want to take our other clear string and repeat that, going over the first pink loop and under the second pink loop. Now we want to take our blue string and put it right through the center of our box stitch and go underneath the cross and pulling just like that. And now we want to take our other blue string and repeating that, ignoring the first loop that we just made with the blue string and going through the center again and out the cross. And we once again pull tightly on all strings evenly. Knot 2 complete. And there we go. As you can see, slowly, but knot by knot, you build up the spiral. Alright, on to knot 3. We're going to start once again with our pink string. And we're going to bring it over to the left side of the other pink string. And we're going to take our other pink string and make 2 loops, following the other pink string. And we're going to take our clear string and do the box stitch, going over the first loop and under the second pink loop. And we're going to do the same with our other clear string. We're going over the first loop and under the second loop. Now we're going to take our blue strings and go down the center of our knot and come out of the X. So we're going into the center and out the X, diagonally across the entire box stitch. And we're doing the same with the other blue. We're going down the center and out the X. And now we're going to pull tightly on all of our strings evenly. And there we go. Our third knot. I'm going to speed the video up so that you guys can see how it builds slowly, so you guys know as you work on it, but feel free to continue working. Can you see the pattern emerging? It's starting to form its shape and looking like our finished one. Continue until you have about 2 inches of string left, and end it off with the knot that we used previously. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and had as much fun as I did while making your keychains.